Hey guys, I'm Nate Richards with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today we're going to take a look at this 29 Suntop we have here for sale in Yarmouth.
And one of the first things I noticed that we decided to equip this boat with is the 400 Mercury V10. It's been an excellent package, and it gives you both that power you're looking for, but the maintenance of just having one engine. So far, this has been by far the most popular setup is that single 400. Moving on to deck, we did the BRABUS package on this boat. So BRABUS trim package is going to give you this black powder coated handrails running all the way around, black powder coated accents, and basically all the stainless on this boat has been black powder coated. One area I love on these Axopars that they did is this huge storage space down below. They did an awesome job, and it's a great spot for extra storage, water toys, covers, tubes, stuff like that, and very well appointed area. So, easy to access and easy to, close up when you just want to get things out of the way. And that's something that, when you get this U-bench, when you have a lot of these different configurations, you're going to add in that extra storage, which is just a great feature. In this locker, you have an option, and this boat is equipped with it, is this aft deck shower. Now, this is really nice to have if you're using the boarding ladder and you're getting on and off the beach, or you just have some sandy feet or the kids are jumping on board and you just want to rinse things off. So that's a really nice feature just to have on this boat. And as you can see, we've got dock lines, we've got fenders, we've got some covers in here, and still have room to, store a couple more things should need be. So looking at this configuration, we chose to do the U-bench configuration. Couple different ways you can set this up, but this U-bench is great for social space. So the 29 Suntop is giving you the performance, the handling you're looking from Axopar, but with more of a social feel. And especially with the U-bench configuration here, what you can do, and as you can see, this table is dropped down low. We have an infill cushion that'll connect all of this to create a sunbed. But what you can also do, screw in some legs, bring that table right up and create more of a social space for 6-8 people, which is really nice. Swivel these chairs around and you've just got a massive outdoor social space, and you're still, of course, protected by this top. You've actually got storage underneath all three of these benches. So easy access, which is also really nice. Once again, it's always great to have more storage on your boat. So Axopar's allowed that with easy access, both port, starboard, and stern lockers. So that's just really nice. So just like the cabin boats, these Suntops are going to come with this really nice sunroof up here, which is just a great feature to have, just giving you a little bit of extra protection underneath your U-bench, but also allowing you to open it up and be that much more exposed if you want a little more sunlight, if you just want to enjoy the weather. So stepping up into the Helm, now one thing they did that is really nice that some of my customers have appreciated with this Suntop is if you take a look at the deck, it is flush throughout all the way to the stern. And really what that's giving you is, an easy ability to walk around this boat. Now, when you do step into the helm station, you step down, of course, and that is something Axopar is known for. The reason they're doing that is to give you a better center of gravity on these boats. So looking at this helm station, we decided to go with the NSS dual screen. It's giving you, the ability to run a chart plotter on one side, radar, electronics, whatever you need on port side or vice versa. We did do a JL audio, so that's going to be a little nicer audio system for us, giving you a little bit more sound because everybody likes some good music while they're out boating. And then stepping forward, of course, here, this is a configuration choice. There's a couple different ways you can lay this area out up here, but this by far is the most popular. So this is what we call a U-bench configuration. Not only are you allowed now to have 6 to 8 people out back, you can also get another 6 to 8 people up front. So this currently, out of all the Axopars, has the most bow seating, when you choose a U-bench configuration. It's just been an amazing setup. And of course, as with all of these Axopars, they really focus on storage space. So they maximize every inch of these boats So right now we've got a couple covers, but one thing they do, you got your legs down here. It's a really simple clip-on system. So it's nothing mechanical, nothing that you worry about breaking, which is nice. And that's something Axopar focuses on. We did the windlass up front. So it's a hidden windlass. It's underneath the forward hatch. Really easy access at helm for that windlass control, giving you confidence. So that's really nice. And that's something pretty true across all these Axopars. Now, people look at these boats, they look at all the Axopar 29s and they say, where do I use the head on these boats? Now, this is standard, this space for all these Axopars, but it's once again, that clever use of space we've talked about. So comfort forward is giving you extra cushions, port and starboard. It's giving you an infill cushion down below. So this will actually fold over and create one big massive bed. Now, looking underneath that cushion right there, what that is an electric flush freshwater system, basin sink off the back. A very clean system, and with fresh water, you don't deal with as much head smell because fresh water doesn't carry as much bacteria as salt does. So it's allowing those lines to stay cleaner and eventually just smell better. So once again, you'll note JL audio speakers throughout this boat, the beefed up system, which is giving you that little bit of extra sound. Axopar went through and they decided we need cup holders. So they put cup holders exactly where you need them around this entire social area. So one of the unique things with these Axopars too is, and like we were talking about, use of space with these boats is tremendous. They maximize everything on the boats. So what it's giving you is right now we've got sink down below, which is an awesome space to have, especially in this social area. So then on port side, and you've got refrigeration space. So a little bit extra refrigeration space, once again, really nice to have in this social area. And an easy locking system, easy latch with a slide bolt on the other side. So nice, simple system, but very effective and works. And then at helm here, once again, what we talked about is visibility at helm. So right now, you've got excellent visibility with this boat. You've got controls right at hand, which is really nice. A very clean button layout, like you see in all the Axopars. So that's something that's not just specific to this boat. And looking at the controls on this boat specifically, so you're gonna get this Slipner bow thruster control. All Axopars we sell come standard with bow thrusters. It's one of those features that it's just really nice to have when you're in a tight situation. Looking at what's next to that, you've got your tabs right here, so trim tabs, and of course throttle control, something Mercury has really gone into a lot of thought through and did a very smart job with that. And of course, did a nice job with all the buttons on there, making them accessible, but also not overcrowding that helm control there, which is nice. And once again, Axopar does a really good job at this beautiful, nice matte dash finish, if you will. So they do that across most of their boats. And that is something that is just a clean, sharp look for these boats. Ambient light control, you've actually got a spotlight control right here. So we did decide to equip this boat with the spotlight, and that is great for spotting moorings or just when you need it at night. And another thing I'll point out at helm that Axopar really thought through, so great spaces for phones, wallets, port and starboard side. So extra little cubbies down here, which just allow you to have a little bit more storage space, a little bit more usability with the helm, which is a great feature. And once again, it's just something Axopar really thinks about. One more cool thing about these 29 Suntops is the configuration you can have or choose to have with these boats. Now you can see these port and starboard side bolsters. So you can actually pivot those or move them back. You can see the holes in the cushions. So those are meant for being able to lift that bolster out, reposition it how you might need it. So if you do want to have a little seating actually on port side exterior or starboard side exterior, you can configure it that way. Say you're water skiing or something like that, and you just need easy access to the stern.
This has been the 29 Suntop walkthrough. If you guys have any questions about the boat or any questions about any of the boats we sell, feel free to reach out to me, Nate Richards, or check out our website, ecys.com.